Hello everyone, with Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are looking at August 2024 Patreon STL Part 8 for your Warhammer D&D and figure 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below. And all the stuff we'll be looking at will be down the link as well. So we have CA 3D Studio that are good figure ones as well. I don't know if we actually looked in it or not. But we got Mary Jane and all the way down from Illidan, and the girl from Death Note, Akira. There's a whole bunch of stuff from Elden Ring and stuff over there as well. Just so far we got Spider Girl. They do a lot of the bust as well, and we got Mary Jane so far as well for it. We got Pink Studio. So for this month, I do not know what we got for this month. August, there we go. Etna, Nazua, Marcel, and Nephia, and Archdeacon Dilemma for this month. Lord Zuch, I think we already looked at this for Ryu. I don't know if they have anything coming up for next month. Cammy is the looks like to be the welcome. Drunken Dwarves. They're paused in August. Gamescape for your 3D printing needs. I'm gonna start printing a lot of his stuff because I do have a filament printer now. It looks like I have the Swamp Pack that's coming up to fruitions. That's actually pretty cool. If you're going to do it in a swamp battle, I think this is actually pretty good to have as well. So you have Swamp Pack Hut. That's actually probably kind of cool to have. I think it'd be easy to paint. There'll be a lot of dry brushing though for it. Great Grimoire, another good D&D stuff as well. This is the what you call it. We have pirates, octopus. What else do we have in here? Yeah. So there's going to be a lot of pirates in this one. The full thing will be released for you, but the link will be down for you down below. Limited Fantasy. This is July. I don't know what's for August, but we probably see what August is later on. Ethna Savage. This is actually good for your 3D. If you like anime and you want to have a miniature form, this is probably it. They do a lot of the actual anime and video game characters for your games. There's some of these from Final Fantasy. This is from Trigun. I forgot the rest is from, but she has a big tit for it. Vagrant miniatures that are good for D&D. Verm the Curse. I don't know if they have anything for. I think this is probably the preview one. For it, that's actually pretty cool looking. This thing looks huge, really huge. For it, do not want to go against that guy. I need to be that guy for this month. Munchkin Post. I don't know if you looked at this. Yeah, actually, we actually did. Suro for this month, and her as well. Cardcatcher Sakura. V8 Village Hope Miniatures. They usually do have a lot of stuff out, but I think they stopped posting a lot of the stuff. But they still release a lot of the Patreon stuff every month on the thing. I think they stopped posting stuff on the thing for it. Don't know why. Paul 3D, another good terrain mostly, but we have the elephant from the Lord of the Rings, and the pirates that's with it as well. Regular elephants, pirates. But yeah, this actually, if you're a huge Lord of the Ring fan, this is probably what you really want to do. Or middle of freaking nowhere, you can actually have it in. Throwback is he looks like a statue of the Nani and the setbacks as well. So they have a lot of stuff for I think like $5. A miniatures blueprint. Let's see a preview for August. You have a Dwarven King. Do you have anything else for a preview? I hope it's not just freaking Dwarven Kings, but we'll see. Big Bad Evil Guy. Looks like we're getting some tree ants and stuff. This is also part of the arcane minis. The arch villain also work out as well for it. But they do give stuff out, like the blimp and the ship. They do throwbacks. Letting you guys know as well. Jigglate is a new Patreon. Jiggle Sticks, Seduction Creation. They do a lot of stuff for it. So we have a lot of mimic girls. If you're interested in that for this month, and I think this was also the reward for this month as well. Most like for pinup arts. Endgame miniatures. This is another one. I can't. They blocked a lot, but hopefully later on I'll get more. They do Warhammer proxies, but in anime form. Okay, Warhammer proxies 40k in anime form. Just letting you guys know. Just look at these. So this is probably what you pretty much want to get. I don't know what this month is going to be. Emperor Guards Waifu Anime Figurine Patreon. You may have to see their Facebook and stuff and see what it looks like, but that's basically what it is. Ruben this is the August one for Ruben. It's actually pretty good for anime figures. Moid, another good one as well. Looks like I have a Doom-looking robot right there. These two Doom-looking ones. For this August month, we have Carry RZ. These looks like more for Battletechs. He does a lot of stuff like mech-wise. He might be a proxy for Battletechs for it. Go please check him out as well. We got pink, rated pink. Pinky prints. For that, there's your welcome package. And for September, Navi, August. This will be the August one for this month as well. Hershey and Marine Hollow Live. What was last month's? But yeah. And Daka Store. They're having a live kickstart by mid of August. If you want to get some 40k proxies. And I don't say anything for August for this one. I think it is going to be these guys. I really don't know. But yeah, go check them out. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.